The latest development comes in. 52 bodies have been recovered and the number of injured and the rescued people is a total of 116, while all are out of danger following the cloudburst and landslide in Kishtwar. While situation remains very grim in Kishtwar as the cloudburst followed, injuring many lives and posing threat to the life and property, many have also been a victim of these floods triggered by the cloudburst, as 200 people continue to be still trapped. Many have been killed as well. My colleague Ajay Jandal joins me for more updates on this. Ajay, 52 bodies have been recovered so far as the rescue operations continue, and as the situation remains very concerning again at the time in Kishtwar. What remains to be the expectation of the weather as well as the rescue operations are underway? Families are in panic. There is grief surmounting all across the regions in Kishtwar, where the cloudburst has taken a toll on the region and claimed many lives.
Right now everyone is praying that rain will not rain should not start, because what is happening that it's raining here in the Jammu and other adjoining area of the Jammu region, whereas in Kishtwar's that area, Chashoti, as of now there is no rain, and that is a good thing that it was already predicted that there will be rain in Jammu and Kashmir today, and this is going to, if rain starts, then this is going to hamper the rescue work over there, because number of teams of NDRF, SDRF, police, army, paramilitary forces, authorities, civil administration, they are working around the clock to ensure that if there is any hope, they has to be evacuated and shifted to the hospital, life can be saved. But it seems that it is going to be tough, because the way basically lot of mud basically came with the flash flood, that created trouble, and many many houses that were totally buried or damaged because of the flash flood. There are possibility that those who were there at the time of the cloudburst, they might have washed away with the flow to the downstream. Where they have gone, that has to be seen. Other than that, 52 people have been killed. That is what Dr. Jitendra Singh, while visiting the location, DGP Jammu and Kashmir Police, he shared with the media, and also Dr. Jitendra Singh, when he reached there last late night at around 11, he met the people, those who are victim. He met the rescue teams and reviewed the scenario over there, and he have ensured the people that best possible effort will be deputed there to ensure that every body where anybody is missing, they has to be traced and they has to be rescued. This is what actually can be done, because it's nature, so no one can fight with the nature. The disaster which happened, that created havoc over there, and a lot of people, they are still missing, because there are possibility that around more than 100 people are still missing, because people are calling the police and the civil administration about their near and dear. That is the only source by which they can basically get information about their people, that where they are. So this is the reason. But teams are deputed, teams are working round the clock. In next few hours, possibly Chief Minister Omar Abdullah is also going to visit the location to to review the rescue work, and everyone is putting efforts to ensure that any hope is there. If any hope is there, life can be saved.